To process black and white film, you need some equipment. First, the Peterson developing tank, plastic measuring cylinder, plastic tubs or bucket for diluent chemicals, thermometer, clock or stopwatch, film clips, scissors, and negative storage sleeve. The Patterson developing tank is the most important. The tank keeps the film in total darkness even in daylight. The screw lid and spindle on which the spiral is mounted mean that chemicals can be poured into and out of the tank without light exposure to the tank content. Film is loaded onto a spiral reel, and this ensures that solution reaches every part of the film surface. Processing chemicals. Mix only as much as you need to completely cover the spiral in the developing tank with solution 300 ml per 35 mm spiral or 500 ml per 120 or 220 spiral. During development, temperature control is important, and you must use a thermometer to make sure the developer is not too hot or too cold. Temperature is not as critical with the stop bath and fixer steps or during washing but should be within a few degrees of the developer temperature. Development. Remove the sealing cap and start development by quickly pouring the chemical developer into the tank. The developer temperature should be within a degree of 20 degrees Celsius. Start the timer when all of the developer is in the tank. Stop bath. Pour the Il-Fosstop stop bath solution at 20 degrees Celsius into the tank. Agitate by turning the tank upside down twice. After 10 to 30 seconds, pour it out. The time in the stop bath is not critical. Fixer. Zero the timer and pour into Ilford high pump at 20 degrees Celsius. Start the clock as you finish pouring. Then agitate by inverting the tank 2 to 3 times every 20 seconds or so until fixation is complete at 4 minutes. Wash. Now the film is fixed. Remove the tank lid. Use a piece of tubing to feed running water above about 6 degrees Celsius down the center of the spiral to the bottom of the tank. Wash the film in running water for about 5 to 10 minutes. I also complete empty the tank every minute and refill from buckets of water at 20 degrees Celsius. Rinse. Finally, pour rinse bath into the tank to cover the spirals. Allow 30 to 60 seconds for the wetting agent to work. Lift the film spiral out of the tank. Pull the spiral apart by twisting it, or pull the end of the film out of the spiral and attach a film clip to it. Hang the film from a drying line. Drying. Attach a weighted film clip to the bottom end of the film. Leave it to dry in still, dust-free atmosphere. Drying can be speed up by using a film drying cabinet.